you can run away with your words as well, right? Like you just
give me a for example.
So you're in an argument, and then or somebody says something mean to you, and instead of firing back with something, you immediately start to go, oh yeah, you're right, I'm sorry. You're trying to talk down a hostile situation. Would that be considered running away?
Are you talking it down because your frontal cortex is engaged? Or are you deflecting the argument and agreeing in order to survive and avoid intensifying that argument?
I guess I would assume that you're trying to survive. Like you're deflecting. It's not necessarily a cognitive response. It's an, oh, whoa, I do not want to be in a fight right now.
Right.
So I don't know, maybe it's a mix of both.
And that's what I was just going to say. It can be both. People who are very good at diffusing tension and managing conflict, that doesn't mean they're running away from something. They are engaging in a calm brain space. Okay. So I would say, hey, am I having an amygdala response right now and running away? Or am I in a calm place and I'm diffusing tension so that way we can manage this conflict effectively?
Okay.
Where are you at? What part of your brain are you thinking from? And so really checking in with your intention is going to inform if you're responding from the amygdala or from the frontal cortex. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Thank you for the clarification.
Great question.
America. We are endowed by our Creator with certain unalienable rights: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. At Grand Canyon University, we believe in equal opportunity, and the American dream starts with purpose. By honoring your career calling, you impact your family, your friends, and your community. The pursuit to serve others is yours. Find your purpose at Grand Canyon University. Private, Christian, affordable. Visit gcu.edu.
What if you could have a career where the opportunities are as vast as our nation, where it's not about mission statements, but a shared mission? At U.S. Customs and Border Protection, we go beyond to protect more than borders. From ship to shore, air to ground, cities to local communities, CBP agents and officers are keeping people safe. Join U.S. Customs and Border Protection and go beyond for something far greater than yourself. Learn more at cbp.gov/careers.